Hi children, I'm back again with another chapter, The Switch. This story, The Switch, is adapted from a very famous historical novel, A Tale of Two Cities, and it has been written by Charles Dickens. He was one of the great English writers of the Victorian era. He created some of the world's most well known fictional characters and is generally regarded as the greatest novelist of that period. The story is set against the conditions that led up to the French Revolution. The two cities in the title are London and Paris. There are three main characters in the story, that is Sydney Carton, a British lawyer, Lucy Manet, a French lady, and Charles Darnay, a member of French ruling class. So, the background, first of all, I'm telling you the background of the story that goes in this way. There was a British lawyer, Sydney Carton. Okay, Sydney Carton. This is Sydney Carton. He has been shown a British lawyer in the story, and he falls in love with a French lady, that is Lucy Manet. He confesses his love. Okay, he confesses his love to Lucy Manet when she is alone at home. But she tells him that he is in love with Charles Darnay, who is a member of a French ruling class. Later on, she marries him. Okay, Lucy marries Charles Darnay. Even after his rejection in love, he, that is Sydney Carton, promises Lucy to do anything for her or for anyone whom she loves. As the French Revolution begins, Darnay is arrested and brought before a tribunal. Tribunal means court. Okay? He was brought in front before a tribunal where the crime of his uncle and father are brought to light, and he is sentenced to death by guillotine. What is guillotine? Guillotine is this. Okay? And he bravely, means this is an apparatus that is used for execution. Okay, and he bravely accepts his fate. When Sydney Carton comes to know about Darnay's arrest, he comes into action. He finds a man who is able to go freely in and out of the prison where Darnay is kept, and makes a plan to switch places with Darnay, as he looks alike Darnay. Why does he do so? Because when Lucy rejected his love, then he promises Lucy to do anything for her and for anyone whom she loves. So when he comes to know about Darnay, that he has been arrested and is sentenced to death, so he comes into action, and he finds a man who is able to go freely in and out of the prison where Darnay is kept. Okay, and what are his planning? His planning is he makes a plan to switch places with Darnay. Okay, because he means little bit resembles like Darnay, so he just wants to take this he want to take an advantage of his appearance, and he want to switch his place with Darnay, so that Darnay can be can be rescued. Okay. So in the beginning of the chapter, this was the background of the story, and now what is there in this chapter? The switch. Dane, in the beginning of the stanza, it has been shown that Dane is restless, as he knows that the time has come to face death. He is in a prison, he is in a cell, okay, and he is waiting for his death, okay, as he has been sentenced to death by guillotine, okay. So he is restless, as he knows that the time has come to face death. He is counting every hour, waiting for the time that has been allotted for him to face guillotine. His execution is set for 3 in the morning. Dane prepares himself for his fate by telling himself he is due to be executed at 2 o'clock early in the morning instead, so that he would be able to calm and strengthen himself in order to be able to comfort and strengthen others like him. Dane is in a prison which is tightly guarded, okay. Nobody can enter the prison without the knowledge of the guards. Dane assumes that only another prison can enter his cell. But when Dane is counting hours for the final moment to arrive, it is at that time that he hears the door open and shut very quickly. He guesses that the person who has entered could be another prisoner like him. But when he sees Carton in his prison or cell, he astonishes, he stuns. Okay. Means Dane is initially shocked by Carton's appearance. He believes him to be a figment of his imagination that desperately needs to see a friend. He is struck with horror that Carton is a prisoner as well, to be executed. So, in order to clear his confusion, he asks Carton if he has also been imprisoned. Then Carton denies it and tells Dane that he has come there with a request from Dane's dear wife, as he knows that it was possible for him to enter his cell with the help of one of the keepers there. He also tells him that Dane has to just follow his instructions without asking any question. Dane, who is bewildered by the sudden entry of Carton, is almost sure any escape plan from the prison would be asking for sure death. However, he has no choice but to follow Carton's instructions. For the plan to materialize, Carton wants Dane to quickly transform himself to look like Carton by wearing Carton's cravat and coat. Cravat is a necktie, okay? So he asks Dane to wear his cravat, his coat, okay, and removing the ribbon from his hair. So Dane was apprehensive about his escape right from the very beginning, and he tries to dissuade Carton from trying something dangerous, which may put his life also in danger. I mean, Dane was first of all very much confused कि what is happening with him, what Carton is trying to do with him, because Carton in the very beginning tells Dane कि without asking any question, just follow his instructions. Dane thinks that may be possible, that he is planning to run away from the prison. Okay, is that all right? So Dane is means he is 100% sure that it is next to impossible to run away from here, because earlier also many of the prisoners have tried to run away from there, but all their efforts gone in vain. This prison is so much guarded that it is next to impossible to run away from there. So even Dane tells to Carton that whatever the planning is in his mind cannot be cannot be fulfilled, and he is giving an invitation to his death, even because with Dane, Carton will also be executed if he will try to do so. So after the switch, Carton asked him to exchange the clothes, okay, and Dane did so. So Carton asked Dane, after that, Carton asked Dane to write a letter from him to Lucy, conveying the fact that he is switching places with Dane and that he will take on the death sentence upon himself. Why does he ask Dane to write this letter? This he does to prove Lucy that she holds a very high place in his heart, and to tell her that he has no regret or grief in doing so. So actually, and there was another reason also why Carton asked Dane to write the letter. Actually, he did so in order to distract him and drug him, because he knows Dane would never willingly agree to a switch. Carton was 100% sure that Dane will never ever be agree for this switch. मीन्स उन्हें ये पता था कार्टन को कि अगर वो उसको बताएगा कि डाने को बचाने के लिए वो ये स्विच कर रहा है, तो वो कभी भी इस चीज़ को नहीं मानेगा, क्योंकि वो he has been shown a very gentle person. He will never want that Carton may be executed in place of him. वो कभी भी नहीं चाहेगा कि कार्टन को उसकी जगह पर फांसी लगे. So he knew it. तो वो लेटर जब वो लिखवा रहा था, तो what was the purpose of asking to write a letter to him, so that he can drug him, कि उसे वो क्लोरोफॉर्म सुंघा दे और उसे बेहोश कर दे. ठीक है. For this reason he asks in order to distract his mind. Okay, distract his mind, and to drug him, he asks Dane to write a letter. When Dane becomes unconscious, Carton dresses himself in the clothes of Dane. Then he sits at the table. At the same moment, a guard enters the cell, and Carton, who is in the disguise of Dane, tells the guard that the parting has overpowered his friend. He fainted when he entered in. In this way, guards take unconscious. You can see in the picture also that Dane has been shown unconscious and Carton has switched his place. So in this way, guard takes unconscious body of Dane, who is disguised as Carton, on a stretcher and carries him away. In this way, Dane escapes. On the other hand, now Carton is left alone in the prison waiting for his execution. This ends the story. If you have any problem, you can ask in the live lecture, and today I will send you the PDF of the question answers also. Okay? Now take care of yourself. Bye bye.